Hi guys, today we'll trade on the Quotex platform, and before we start, I recommend you trading by my signals where the profit of transactions is more than 80%. Please come to my Telegram for more details and let's start trading. Today we will consider the alligator indicator and we will trade according to this indicator. In order to select, we go to this keys. Select the alligator. We have moving average lines. There are only 3 of them and we can choose the colors. As we see the green lips, the red teeth, and so let's choose the third color. Now let's look at how the alligator is used. Here we see that we start to open channels on this line. There is, here we start a downtrend at this very point. Here we also start an uptrend after our moving line crossed. Then let's now try to use a currency pair to demonstrate trading on this indicator. And so here we see that we have an uptrend open, so we can open our trades for an upward price movement. So we will wait on this line for an upward price opening, as it's now we see the potential for an uptrend. According to these lines at the opening point of our jaws and lips with teeth, we began to open our uptrend. Channels were formed between themselves and the price began to move upward. So now on the movement of this candlestick, we can successfully close deal. Let's wait for our deal to close. So as we can see, we have successfully closed our trade on the alligator indicator. Let's open more trades. So here we see that we have a downward trend open on the moving average lines. So now we can open several of our deals for a price decline, as now we have a downward trend at this point. Our moving averages for a price decline were suppressed. As we see, we have a correction, the movement of the moving averages of our alligator with open jaws formed on these channels continue to move along a downtrend. We can also expect this picture at this point of intersection of the alligator indicator, where the downtrend was also opened, and now the trend continues our movement, and using the strategy of the alligator indicator, we will be able to successfully close the deal with an expiration time of 1 minute. And we have successfully closed our deals. According to this strategy, we will open another deal. Here we see that the trend begins to rise, so we can open several deals at once to increase the price. As we see that the trend began to rise at this point, we also see that at this point where the correction took place, the downward movement of our trend followed after which a reversal followed, where now we are dominated by the alligator indicator, and the trend on this ascent of the price began. So now we can successfully close our deals again according to the strategy, and now we don't see any fluctuations on the moving average, and the movement of the uptrend continues, and we can end our trade here. And as we can see, we have successfully demonstrated its work in terms of strategy and work with the alligator indicator. Opened 3 deals very well, and this is where we can finish. And to conclude, I want to recommend you my private channel with my own strategy. You can find it by link in the description, and nice bonuses will be waiting for you. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.